On behalf of the entire Passport team, we thank you for being here. And we are also broadcasting this over Zoom. So welcome to all of those joining us over Zoom. We're excited to have folks from all over able to hear the incredible content that we are going to share and discuss and ideate through today.
So welcome to our first inaugural Regional Forward Summit. Hopefully the first of many to come.
What is the public value that we're trying to create? And then back up from that and say, then how do we want to manage our curbs and sidewalks, our streets, in order to produce more of that? And how would they be more livable or sustainable or well-run or healthy or equitable or prosperous, right? How you allocate those values and how do we use data and how do we use systems in order to produce those?
How do you define curb management and how have you seen this change over time?
So I could take it first if you don't mind. So curb management for us in Raleigh is a million different things like it is in a million different cities, right? So we see it as balancing needs with access. And that is the broad, simple definition. The realities are a million times more complex than that.
What in your vision is the technology that's needed in order to enable that concept so that super apps like Way can have a place in that ecosystem and be able to offer your residents a new experience?
You know, we talked about parking management 101, and I think we've always looked at on-street as one vertical, off-street as another, and your mobility options, but really we got to come together with all these functions and kind of create this solution-based application to it.
Multimodal charging is really, really important. And then how are we going to pay for it? We need payment platforms in cities that can handle all of this, right? I mean, one of the things that I really like about Passport is they have this open platform where if you want to use some other parking apps, you can, right? And Passport can be the back end and they can do all the payments. I think that's really interesting. I think that's the future, right? Is to be that central platform, that arbiter, and let people pay for all the different things they're going to need in a frictionless way, as somebody said earlier. It's got to be frictionless.
I feel like you guys are spearheading this whole thing and taking parking into the next evolution of what it should be. It's going to be overused and you guys are going to go to bed at night, check a box, check a box, check the box, but you guys aren't checking a box right now. Like, you are taking what's already been done and evolving on it and making things better, and you guys are kind of the leading force in that. I'm going to think of a better way to come to Raleigh and be able to represent my company and what we're doing here.